Hey 8A, how are you doing? I put a question of the day on there for you, and I also want to encourage you. There are some classmates who haven't joined our Oreo yet. I wanted to ask if you could help out with getting them to join. So please reach out to your classmates in 8A and see if they've joined um, the 8A Google Classroom page. Also, I'm thinking about having an online get together at some point where we would all do a Google Hangout or a Zoom. So be watching for that in the coming days. Let me know if you need anything. Have a great day, and please be checking your classroom stuff. Um, I know there are some kids who are choosing not to do online school. While we can't require it, we do think that it's important for you to stay involved during this time. So I would encourage you to go and check your Google Classroom classes. All right, have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.